Imagine unlocking your true potential through life coaching that empowers you to set and achieve your goals. Picture finding spiritual guidance that deepens your connection with yourself and the universe. Wellness programs can transform your physical, mental, and emotional health, while personal development workshops help you build confidence and strengthen relationships. Embrace mindfulness and meditation to cultivate inner peace, and explore energy healing techniques like Reiki to restore balance. With a holistic approach to health, Divine Life Solutions offers a pathway to a more fulfilling and vibrant life.
Self-awareness is key to positive change. Understand your strengths and weaknesses, accept them, and strive for improvement. Through meditation and mindfulness, gain control over your thoughts and emotions. Transform negative thoughts into positive ones and practice gratitude. Set clear goals, break them into steps, and stay dedicated. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and growth. Take charge of your mind and transform yourself into someone others aspire to be.
Life coaching can truly transform your life. By practicing introspection and self-discipline daily, you can align with your goals and boost productivity. Incorporating regular exercise and a healthy diet not only enhances your physical health, but also uplifts your mental well-being. Investing in knowledge and skills opens doors to personal growth and career advancement. Surround yourself with positive individuals to stay motivated and inspired. Embrace meditation for mental peace and clarity. By integrating these practices, you can pave the way for a balanced, happy, and successful life. Contact Dr. Surendra Singhvar for more insights on health and happiness.